Hello, this is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, and I am going to show you the 2022 Lance truck camper made by Lance. Bit redundant, but that's okay. So we've got multiple awnings for this unit, which is fantastic because way back in the day, they didn't have awnings. You had to do the little, little pop-up things that always blew over. So these are fantastic. There's an awning over on this side too. There is a point about the windows on this camper. You have to be very careful in washing them because they can scratch because they're not glass. They are some sort of composite, which you can look that up. But yeah, so be really, really careful because they can scratch and then you'd have to take them to a professional to have them fixed. But anyway, we'll go inside. It is very nice and compact, but has great space. Wonderful little dinette, super comfy, turns into a bed. We've got storage up above and obviously plenty of room. If I can sit at the end, then two people here, one down there. We've got our dinnerware ready and air conditioning. We got good vents. We've got stereo and of course the bed up above, and those are always great. Kids love them and adults too. Plenty of room, good lighting. There is a TV up there in a little nook. We've got a 2-burner gas range. We've got microwave, storage up above and below. Good size sink. So up here in the Lance camper, we have a super conveniently located refrigerator right above. It is just a nice little fridge to keep things nice and cool. There are cubbies back here and a closing closet to conceal stuff. You've got lights for reading. You know I like reading. Stereo speaker, and there are controls up here. So if you're in bed, you can control things. Alrighty, and I'm going to show you in the bathroom in the Lance camper. It is a wet bath, so everything is contained. You've got your sink, you've got your toilet, and you've got your shower. This is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon, and this is the 22 Lance camper. If you have any questions, then go ahead and give us a call.